Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it.
Halo? Did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo? What is that? Did you do that?
Charlie, did you do that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Charlie. Bad dog. Bad dog, Charlie.
Is this the Elmo chair? What'd you do to the Elmo chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty. What did you do to that Elmo chair? Huh? What did you do? What did you do to that Elmo chair? Naughty.
You're a bad boy, Blue. Bad boy. Did you do that? Did you do that, Blue?
Come here.
What was it? What did you do in there? Huh? What have you done? You know what you've done, don't you? Tell me now. What did you do in there? What have you done in there? What have you done?
What'd you do? What'd you do? Now I have to clean the bathroom.
No, it wasn't you. Duke? Duke, was it you? Was that mess you? Was that you? Or was it Ruger? Was it you? Ruger? Ruger? Did you do this mess?
Kylan, come here. Kylan.
Miller. Miller, look at me. Miller, look at me. Did you eat off the counter? Hey, did you eat off the counter? Did you? Did you eat?
Did you do that? I knew you did something. You gave it away. I didn't even see it till you gave me that face.
Is that yours, buddy? Is that yours, dude? Did you chew up that?
Pogo, what's this? Come here, Pogo.
I really think that might have been us.
Who did this? Did you do this, Chaco? Did you do this?
Come here. What'd you do? Come here. Come here, Sadie. What's this? What's this, Sadie? What is this? Come here. What did you do? What'd you do, Sadie? Were you a bad girl?
What did you do, lady? Lady Jane. She did something. What lady? Lady, look at me.
Hi, Laurel. Hi. Laurel, what did you do this afternoon? Did you do that? Did you maybe eat that bag of treats, Laurel?
Did you do this? Huh?
Bailey, sit. Did you do this? Is this paper yours? Bailey.
What is this? Did you chew this book up? Did ya? Are you gonna look at me? Jax. Jax.
Who did this? Huh? Is this you, Noah? Did you do this? Did you do this, you naughty girl?
What is this? That. What is that? What is this? What did you do? Did you do this? Did you do this right here? Right here. Did you do this?
Did you eat the table? Marley, come here. Did you eat the table? Why did you eat the table? Why did you eat the table? The table's not for eating. Marley.
Come here. Did you eat the cat food? Did you eat the cat food? I think you ate the cat food.
Sadie, what are you doing? Why were you eating the Kleenex? Huh? Why were you eating the Kleenex? That was naughty. That was naughty. Thor, what is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?